Welcome to English Learning Land. You may know the names of these colors in English, but do you know what color is turquoise or lavender? Today you're going to learn more than 50 colors name in less than 10 minutes. Yellow, yellow. Blue, blue. Red, red. Green, green. Orange, orange. Brown, brown. Purple, purple. Pink, pink. Gray, gray. Salmon, salmon. Firebrick, firebrick. Coral, coral. Crimson, crimson. Maroon, maroon. Dark red, dark red. Light pink, light pink. Hot pink, hot pink. Peach puff, peach puff. Cyan, cyan. Turquoise, turquoise. Ocean blue, ocean blue. Sky blue, sky blue. Navy, navy. Dark blue, dark blue. Royal blue, royal blue. Indigo, indigo. Violet, violet. Orchid, orchid. Magenta, magenta. Fuchsia, fuchsia. Lavender, lavender. Light green, light green. Spring green, spring green. Long green, long green. Lime, lime. Olive, olive. Teal, teal. jade green, jade green. Golden, golden. Light yellow, light yellow. Yellow green, yellow green. Khaki, khaki. Beige, beige. Rosy brown, rosy brown. Chocolate, chocolate. Bronze, bronze. Light gray, light gray. Silver, silver. Ivory, ivory. White, white. Black, black. We learned more than 50 colors name. Now take the quiz. There are 5 questions each with 1 point. Let's see how many points you can get. Now let me know your score and write it down in comments. Feel free to ask any question you might have. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss next videos. See you soon.